controversy with his remarks saying that a Muslim like Mamdani can become the mayor of New York and a Khan can become the mayor of London. But in India, a Muslim cannot even become a university vice chancellor. Mamdani expressed deep concern over what he described as discrimination against Muslims in India, citing examples such as the imprisonment of leaders like Azam Khan and the government action against Al Falah University after some of its doctors were linked to the Delhi terror attack.
है कि मुसलमान अपाहज हो गया, खत्म हो गया, बांझ हो गया। मैं नहीं समझता हूं ये बात। क्या बात है कि आज दुनिया का मुसलमान एक आदमी न्यूयॉर्क का मेयर बन सकता है, ममदानी लंदन के अंदर मेयर बन सकता है, एक खान हिंदुस्तान के अंदर किसी मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी का कोई आदमी वाइस चांसलर नहीं बन सकता, और अगर बनेगा तो आजम खां की तरह जेल के अंदर जाएगा, इकबाल की तरह औलाद जेल में डाल दी जाएगी। आज देख लीजिए अल फलाह का क्या हो रहा है। गवर्नमेंट मुल्क की आजादी के बाद इस पर लगी हुई है कि मुसलमान को सर नहीं उठाने देना है।
We have CNN News 18's Anshul Singh joining us live right now. Anshul, very good morning to you. What do you make of the statement, honestly? Has he forgotten that we have had Muslim president in the past, and other Islamic countries like Pakistan, for instance, which is our neighboring country, has never had a minority as their head of government ever?
Well, yes, Madni is doing what he is known to do best, that is to somewhere or the other create a divide between the Hindu and Muslim communities. He has constantly gone ahead and given such statements one after the other, specifically at crucial times when the confidence amongst the two communities is at the lowest. Remember the manner in which the doctors, the white-collar terrorists have come out, and the names of those terrorists has come out. Definitely, there is a fresh spell of deficit that can be sensed amongst the two communities at this point in time. And Mamdani coming out and making such absurd statements definitely tells us that there is an ulterior motive that can be in his mind. He speaks about Azam Khan, but he does not speak about that how Azam Khan was one of the biggest gangsters who was operating inside Uttar Pradesh, and it was both Hindus and Muslims who were actually facing his ire when it comes to those crimes that were being committed by Azam Khan and his close ones. Also, the manner in which he has gone ahead and said that a Muslim cannot become a vice chancellor of a university because Muslims are being oppressed. Again, this is a statement that has actually no evidential backing. There are several Muslims who are actually heading the universities, who are actually heading big government portfolios, and also in private jobs as well. But yes, Mamdani is known as a person who is known of giving out such statements, and
Right.
Since he has a big Muslim following as well, it remains to be seen what kind of impact will
Absolutely.
such useless statements have on them.
Right. Thank you, Anshul. Thank you so much for sharing your input with us. And with that, we're slipping into another short break.